Hi, this is Newt with a minute of medicine for your mind. You know, God said it's not good for us to be alone. So it makes sense that people are going to want to be in relationships. And it makes sense they're going to have someone in their life in some capacity. You know, but the problem is when we don't know how to handle those relationships and we make decisions, poor decisions in them, and because of them, they take our life off track. And it can take 15, 20 years to get back on track. And quite frankly, some things you're never going to be able to recover because of those decisions you made in those relationships. When I was a young boy, man, 20 years old, I had 2 children a month apart. I was a dog, you know. Then I had, I got married, messed that up. Had some living girlfriends, messed that up. Got married to the young lady I'm married to today for 15 years, but I almost messed that up. So my point I'm trying to say to you is be careful in your decision-making process with your relationships because it can really jack you up. There's 3 things you need to measure them by. If you're in your 20s, pay attention to what I'm saying. The first thing is your spiritual belief systems. Are they similar? Do they agree? The second thing would be your how do I want to say it? Your goals, dreams, and aspirations. If they're not similar, do you have the mechanisms to support them and the patience? And do they have the patience and the mechanisms to support you? And thirdly would be your core principles and values, the things you're brought up in, the things you operate from. Are you trustworthy and trusting? And are they secretive, and not trustworthy? Are you diligent and patient? And are they, haphazard and just spend their money and not patient? Those are the things you need to look at, core values. If they're not the same, you're going to have a problem. Well, you might say, I can change them. Well, think about this. If a house burns down on a street, they could come rebuild that house, but they build it on the same foundation and it has the same address. So in essence, all you have is a bunch of new drywall, paint, and wood. And eventually, that'll get old too. So if you think you can change a person, think twice. L-I-G it. This is Newt with a minute of medicine for your mind.